Welcome back. Now let us wrap up our lesson. This is what we have to understand, that we looked into the following. Our concept map. The lesson was structured in this way. We dealt with now the human rights in the workplace. Remember, we have 6 human rights, and then we looked into ways in which the business could deal with those human rights. Then we looked into the economic rights that employees have. Then we also talked about ways to promote social and cultural rights in the workplace. Then we looked into the implications of equality, respect, and dignity in the workplace. Now, new words and language recap. Remember, the focus or what we largely spoke about in the lesson was the term human rights. What do we mean by that? It refers to the rights that everyone must enjoy by the mere fact that they are human beings. And remember that those rights are protected by the Bill of Rights contained in Chapter 2 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. And we also have the term equality, which refers to the fact of being equal in rights, status, or advantages. This has to happen in the workplace. Everyone has to be treated equally. Then we have the term respect, which refers to a polite behavior towards or care for somebody that you think is important. So the business, the management, and everyone in the workplace should respect one another, because everyone in the workplace is important. And then we have the term dignity, which refers to a calm and a serious manner that deserves respect. So everyone has to be treated in a calm way, and there has to be serious respect for everyone in the workplace. Then we have the term economic right, which refers to the right that each person has, and that person has in terms of being economically active. So this is the right each person has to be economically active. And then we also have the term social right, which refers to the right to social welfare benefits. Then, common errors. These are common errors. Many learners fail to identify the correct human right from the scenario. So what is key is for you to know the definition, obviously, and know what each human right stands for. Equality stands for making sure that you eliminate any discrimination. We know that freedom of expression talks to the idea of open communication in the workplace. So make sure that when you see that in the scenario, that should become your keyword and should help you to identify the correct human right in the scenario. Now, learners also provide unclear sentences when responding to questions on promoting cultural and social rights in the workplace. Make sure that you don't confuse the two, and also do not talk about examples to say examples of promoting, or just talk about what the cultural right is and how the business can promote those cultural and social rights in the workplace. Now, let's look into our challenging question. This is our challenging question, and you need to note it down or jot it down for you to be able to use for practice. So advise businesses on the implication of equality, respect, and dignity on the business, and make sure that you do not categorize when you are answering this question. Just answer it using a sentence format. Do not say equality and write something under equality, respect, write something, and dignity and write something. Just give clear sentences and you will be safe. So use this for your practice. So with that being said, thank you for watching this lesson, and hoping we contributed to making you understand that human rights are also part and parcel of what the business should think about in the process of operating, because we have humans in the workplace, so they should be treated with those human rights that are protected by the Constitution and the Bill of Rights of South Africa. So make sure that you use them, apply them, and become the best business studies learner or business studies leader in future. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Keep well. Goodbye.